Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. Place your bets. How many twisted motions can Chad and Lori Daybell file in court before this case ever comes to a point where we're actually going to have a trial? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go here. 5? 10? 15? We don't know. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this update is to let you know that Lori and Chad have filed yet another motion, but this one is even stranger than the last one. The last one, they asked for an ex parte motion to have a court hearing, so the court, and an ex parte motion, in case you're not aware and you haven't seen the last video, is they wanted it to be a motion to be held in front of the judge without the actual DA to be involved in the case, and not necessarily telling the other party what the motion is about. Yes, that is an absolute truth. I can't make this stuff up. They filed an ex parte motion to, restrict the information from the other side, the other parties involved. But it was filed by not only Chad Daybell's attorney, Mr. Pryor, but it was also filed at the same time by Mr. Means. But now, today, we get another one. Today, they went into court and they asked for another hearing. And the judge and the court said, yes, let's do it. Let's give them another filing. Let's give them another court date. So April 7th at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, they will have another day in court. But wait, look here. The court redacted what the actual motion hearing is about. They're not even going to tell the public what this one's about. There's your new twist. We haven't had that yet, have we? So a redacted, court hearing on a super secret, what is it all about motion with the court. It could be about anything. We don't know. It could be about Lori wanting to definitely not be known as Lori anymore. Maybe she wants to be known as Sunbeam Mistress of the universe. We don't know. It could be about Chad. Maybe Chad wants to change his name. Maybe he'd like to change his name to Lori Vallow. We don't know, because this case just keeps on going and going and going and going, and it never stops. And every single motion that they're doing, you have to give them this much. For every motion they file, the DA has to respond to. The DA is not working on the case to actually, cross his T's and dot his I's to get these two convicted, unless he's already figured out he's got a pretty much a slam dunk case on this. But either way, they're clogging up the court system now with filing motions. But how many more? Let's bet. I'm going to go with 10 more. 10 more motions. I think there's going to be 10 more before we actually get to the court date and this trial starts. But right now, April 7th at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, they'll be back in court for their super secret motion to be heard. No cameras, nothing at all in the courtroom, just the attorneys, the judge, and the court reporter, and nothing about this is being released at all. As it says here, it is a redacted announcement to the public, because it's public information, that they're having a court date. But what is it about? We don't know. Did you enjoy the content you just watched? I truly hope so. If you did, I would really appreciate if you'd give this video a thumbs up, so YouTube algorithm will let other people know about this great channel and great content you just watched. If you want, you can also hit the subscribe button that is over there down below the video and subscribe to this channel so you can be notified of when the next video I upload is, in the next live stream that I do on this topic. So if you would, I'd appreciate it. If not, thank you for stopping by, and you have a great day.